Good morning. Today, I'm going to the beach with Virginia. Good morning, guys. Next to you can hear the beautiful sound of the coffee maker. Anyways, I'm about to make myself a yogurt bowl and some coffee. And then I have to do my sprints and my mile run. Then I'm going to get ready and go to the beach with Virginia.
The two characters have like show that they like each other. They have to fantasy a whole bit of it once they're years and 6 to 8 and they're all trying to get the
I just finished my 20-yard sprints. Let me catch my breath. I hate running. Hey guys. Hey! I just finished my mile run. Now I'm about to go do the dishes, shower, and then get ready to go. Do you guys like this little flyaway? I think it's kind of like a staple piece. And my ponytails now. Yeah, that's it. This is your reminder to drink your water. Hey guys, I'm about to go to the beach. Nothing to do today, so that's why I'm going to the beach. Monday and Tuesday, me and my sister had our volleyball camp, and then Wednesday I had my first day of my internship. It was really cool to just like see how everything works and get ready for that. But yeah, that's it. And then I'll just take you along with me. Hey guys, I'm here in Virginia's car with Virginia!
And we got Duncan.
You got Duncan. I got some bacon and bagel bites.
I got a muffin and green tea.
Drink. But we're so hyped. We don't know what we're gonna do first.
Drop what we should do first.
Yeah, let us know what we should do first. Bye. My baddie playing guitar.
Don't go wasting your emotion.
What's on this? Ooh. This one's pretty. Hey guys, we were just at the beach and now we're going to the spot.
Here's the new lanyard I got.
She got a lanyard. We painted some cute little flower petal things. The spot. Hey vlog, we're at Target. Look at these cute flowers. Somebody buy me some flowers. or else. Where are we?
We're at Farmer's
Daughter.
Crazy things happen.
I didn't fold it right. Need that. Hey, we're at the car wash while it's raining. We're the only people here. And then we're gonna go get Jack Brown's. Woo! OB Express! Let us through! We're at the best place on earth, Jack Brown's. Welcome in. I'm so hungry I could eat.
Wow, I'm so hungry I could eat. Hi, this is Shy.
I'm so hungry I could eat. Hey Evan. I'm so hungry I could eat.
So could I.
My face after I get Jack Brown.
My face after I get Jack Brown's. Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat.
I rejected her. Now we're at Surf and Spoon for dessert. We were supposed to meet Virginia's friend Gavin, but he ditched. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I see these ice cream sandwiches on the wall and it's giving rookies, so I need that. Show us your
Got peanut butter and Reese's and cookie dough ice cream.
I got cake batter, cookie dough, strawberries, and caramel. Thank you. Signing off. Cleared! Hey vlog, we're parting ways. Thanks for joining us. Hand hug. Okay, bye.